If somebody murder a family member for you, you'd make your law deal with it or you would deal with it yourself?
For me personally, you'd just make your law do what they have to do. Straight.
Well, better law deal with it. If you deal with it yourself, you come like, if you deal with it, you no problem.
Still and still, you want to know, say, sometimes you take matters in your own hand and things go further.
My friend, they come kill you too.
And at the same time too, all when police know how to do crime, sometimes they still don't want to do nothing about it. So, I'm going to say best to make life take its own course, you see me?
Right? So better you let the police deal with it.
Sometimes we are human feel, man don't want to do things. You see me? Because two of my brothers them get murdered same way. And every day I feel like I want to do things. But guess what? I just say go part of life, man lose loved one.
So me deal with it, my law deal with it. Because law deal with it different.
The police, suppose they don't want to deal with it.
I'm going to say best to make life take its own course. And make your deal with whoever, you see me?
I know. Still have to deal with it. You understand? Yeah, but I still deal with the police, because you know, a law, you know, good for citizens to pick it up in their own.
And you don't know what a man right there go through make a man do thing. You see me? That not say a man for kill a next man loved one and thing.
Right now, I hope you know go so, you know. The police are the right way still.
Me no do nothing about it. The law no do nothing about it and me still alive. The rest of my family still alive. Maybe me end up, maybe me do a thing and a man see me and say, oh, other boy they won't do it, you know. Me lose my life, probably a couple more of my family them lose their life same way, you see me? So you have to just make, if the law no do nothing about it, make God do what he do.
What's your back? An easy question, dog.